Hello everyone, today I'm bringing a little skincare routine and a makeup thingy. So here comes the toner. I clean my face first with my cleanser and then I put some toner on. This one has almond oil in it, and then I don't forget my neck. Then I'm gonna put some serum on. I use the Clinique Moisture Surge Serum, and it kind of gives a really good texture to my skin before I put the moisturizer on. Then I'm gonna go in with Nivea Essentials Day Cream SPF 35. And the last step for my skincare routine is my sunscreen, and I use the Clinique SPF 50 for my skin, and I like to put it this way so I don't miss any spots and kind of put my sunscreen all over my face properly. The last thing is my Vaseline petroleum jelly. I never forget it. I just don't like my lips dry. So then I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I don't use the full coverage foundation because I think BB cream works better for me, so I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend it all into my skin. I do my under eyes, but I don't do my eyelids because I think that's the spot for concealer. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I pick a concealer that is one tone lighter than my actual skin tone and put it under eyes and cover all the spots that I think is necessary to hide. I do my lines too because I have seen a Kim Kardashian makeup routine thingy, and I love the way she put her concealer almost all over her face. I think it's a pro tip. After this, I am going to go with my eye makeup first. So I used the SUBCULTURE from Anastasia, and I'm gonna go in with my concealer first. Then I picked Dawn for my color and mixed it up with Roxy. Then I'm gonna use a dried mascara to do my brows because I don't use actual brow stick to do it. Then I'm gonna go in with my lash curler and do my lashes. I usually count 10 seconds per eye. And then I'm gonna use my false fiber mascara. I use the Covergirl Tru blend bronzer to do my contouring, but I do it in the 3 sort of manner, and I saw it from Kim. And then I'm gonna go in with my blush brush, and I'm gonna use Perfect Blush from Annabelle. I usually like it really light. Then I'm gonna go in with my powder brush and brush off all the excess if I have any. And then the last thing is my favorite highlighter, and I use the Maybelline Master Blend for my highlighter. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. Just leave a comment if you have any questions about the products or something. And Happy New Year to you all.